If you were planning to use Relay.app to build AI workflows and agents in 2026, stop what you are doing right now because we have some massive, critical news. Relay.app is officially shutting down. In this video, we're going to cover exactly what this means for you, the key deadlines you need to know, and how to safely export your data before it's gone forever. First, let's talk about the timeline. Relay.app has disabled all new signups and free-to-pay upgrades. If you don't already have an account, you won't be able to create one. If you are currently on a free plan, you have until August 15, 2026 to use the platform and export your data. After August 15th, all free accounts and their associated data will be permanently deleted. If you are a paying customer, your subscription should have already been canceled, meaning you won't be charged again. However, you can continue using Relay.app for free until September 14, 2026. To help with the transition, Relay.app is giving paid workspaces an extra 25,000 steps and 10,000 AI credits per month for free. But make no mistake, after September 14, 2026, all paid accounts and data will also be permanently deleted. Because of this shutdown, we aren't able to look at typical user reviews or pros and cons today, as the biggest factor for anyone right now is simply migrating off the platform. The good news is that Relay.app is making it relatively straightforward to take your data with you. You can currently export your workflows, sequences, and MCP servers as JSON files, which will allow you to rebuild them on other automation platforms. You can also export your AI prompts, your run history, and any data tables as CSV files. If you have active workflows running on Relay.app, we highly recommend logging in as soon as possible to secure your data and start rebuilding your AI agents elsewhere. What automation platform are you planning to migrate to? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video to help others see this urgent update, and subscribe for more AI news and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.